So can you please think of what do you mean by faint shadow? Faint shadow. You have seen shadow? Have you seen shadow? Yes. What do you mean by faint shadow? Yes. Tiny shadow. Yes.
Dark shadow.
Dark shadow. Yes. Same as Shivanshu. Yes.
Tiny and dark shadow.
Yes. Okay, I am giving you some clue. Just think about if I am saying that is not. Some of you have not clear your. Some of you did not get your mid-year goals. It means you have not. You have not. You have not clear. You have not clear. So, do you think what would be the meaning of faint now?
Clear.
Shadow is. Shadow is. Shadow is not clear. It means sometimes if light is dark, you can see my shadow. It could be back side. In front side or back side also. If there would be it would be shadow.
No.
Darkest light, bright light. Or in light, if there is no light, there is no brightness. In which light would you like to see my shadow? Dark one or light one? Yes? And lights are on. If I close this light, I switch off the light, you will not see my shadow. Yes? Yeah, light is coming. That's why you are able to see. So, shadow was not clear, faint is not clear, or we can see lacking clarity.